Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord that generation here from year 2008 to year 2012. If you have problems where the master window switch doesn't work, we will always recommend to check fuses first. We will explain which two fuses you need to check for the master window switch, where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether, we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So the master window switch fuses, where they're located, we're going to demonstrate, guys, on 2010 Honda Accord right here. You have 3 different fuse boxes in that car. Today we'll be working in 2 of them. The first fuse box that we will need to open is on the inside. And if you look on the driver's side, right under the dash, guys, you look upside down above the pedals in the corner there on the left side, you're going to notice a fuse box that looks just like this one. Okay, that's the layout of the fuses right here. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, which fuse we need to check specifically. Conveniently, you have fuse numbers, okay, next to the fuses, so that helps us easily locate the fuses. And the first fuse that we'll need to check in that fuse box is fuse number 16, 7.5 amp fuse right here. Now you have another fuse that you need to check under the hood, okay. Let me see right here in the engine bay. You open that fuse box here, that's the cover, and once you open it, you'll see that fuse box layout. Here you need to find fuse number 15, and if we zoom in a little bit, we're talking about that fuse right here, fuse number 15. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.